Annotating your ebooks has never been easier. Open a book in the Kortext e-reader and select your chosen text. From the menu that appears, click Add Note. Type your note in the rich text editor using the customization tools and format with a colored highlight. Link out to the web using our options in the drop-down menu. Copy and paste the URL into the text box and click Insert. Share your note to OneDrive, by email, or with your peers in our groups feature using the icons in the bottom left. Once you're finished creating your note, click Save. To review your notes, click the paper icon in the left-hand toolbar. To revisit content, select Notes from the list. Quickly edit notes by clicking the pencil icon to reopen the text editor, and delete unwanted notes using the bin icon. Export notes by email, using the envelope icon in the Notes menu. Enter your email address and click Send Notes.